It's easier to meditate than most people realize. Listen to the following instructions, make sure you're in a comfortable setting, set a timer, and try it. One, sit quietly. Find a quiet, peaceful area where you may sit. 2. Establish a time frame. If you're just starting out, picking a brief period of time, like 5 or 10 minutes, can be helpful. 3. Remain aware of your body. Acceptable seating positions include kneeling, crossing your legs loosely, and sitting in a chair with your feet on the floor. Ensure that you are secure and in a position that you can maintain for some time. 4. Notice your breathing. Pay attention to how your breath feels as it enters and leaves your body. 5. Recognize when your thoughts have strayed. Your focus will eventually stray from the breath and go to other things. Simply bring your focus back to the breath when you eventually realize that your mind has wandered. 6. Be patient with your stray thoughts. Don't criticize or worry excessively about the ideas you get caught up in when you're lost in them. Just restore to your original place. 7. End on a positive note. Lift your gaze once you're complete. If you chose to close your eyes, open them. Consider listening to any sounds that are present for a moment. Observe how your body is currently feeling. Keep an eye on your feelings and thoughts.